In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Relayto. In Relayto, you can upload PDFs, videos, and images, add web content, explore templates, and create new hub. You have the option to upload various file formats. But for this video, we'll select the PDF file. The following steps involve selecting the preferred view for your content. Select one here and click on Next. After creating your document, you can customize the title, privacy settings, and description. As you begin editing, you'll encounter options to configure the format of navigation bars, which are automatically generated with AI. You can further enhance your document by incorporating images through the Add Interactivity button. We have also the option to embed channel link into your document. For example, we've chosen to embed a YouTube channel. You can also select an image from your computer and adjust its size and placement as desired. With these features in place, you're now equipped to utilize Relayto to suit your needs effectively. I hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!